Good evening, friends. So today we are going to further explain expansion. So we are discussing this expansion chapter. So expansion of x plus minus a into x plus minus b. So when this type of expression will come, then how will we expand this? So later on in this whole lecture we are going to discuss this. Okay? So now this is x plus a into x plus b. The expansion of x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus a plus ab. But you may think that here it is only x plus minus a into x plus minus b. But how can I write this 4 expression from this only one? So this is a clue point. So I will just explain this. तो यहाँ पर लिखा है x plus minus a, x plus minus b. अब इसमें 4 केस पॉसिबल है. कौन कौन से 4 केस पॉसिबल हैं देखते हैं. तो प्लस माइनस का मतलब है कि इट विल कंसिस्ट 2 साइंस, प्लस एंड माइनस. प्लस माइनस का मतलब है इट विल कंसिस्ट 2 साइन प्लस एंड माइनस. तो ये प्लस और माइनस दोनों ले सकता है, ये प्लस और माइनस दोनों ले सकता है. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स से दोनों ही प्लस ले रहे हैं इन द फर्स्ट केस. लेट्स से they both are taking plus plus. It is also possible. Then when they will take both are plus plus, then I will get x plus a and x plus b. So it is the case of first expression, this one, x plus a into x plus b. Second case, then when they may take first may take plus and the second may take minus. तो यदि पहला वाला प्लस ले रहा है और दूसरा वाला माइनस साइन ले रहा है तो मुझे मिलेगा x प्लस ए और x माइनस बी. सो ये x प्लस ए और x माइनस बी सेकेंड केस में है. सो दिस सेकेंड केस इज x प्लस ए इंटू x माइनस बी. ओके, नाउ व्हेन द थर्ड केस विल कम, इफ आई एम कंसिडरिंग फर्स्ट वन इज माइनस एंड द सेकेंड वन इज प्लस, सो आई विल गेट x माइनस ए एंड x प्लस बी. This is third one, and the fourth one will obtain, you can clearly see, when I will take both are negative. तो जब मैं दोनों को नेगेटिव लूँगा तब आएगा मुझे x minus a and x minus b. तो now you can clearly understand that why they four are coming from this only expression. Why? Because different signs we are taking, तो different expression being formed. तो अब डिफरेंट एक्सप्रेशन बन रहे हैं, लेकिन इसके बाद ये कैसे आ गया, इसका भी तो कोई वो होगा. तो इसके बाद ये कैसे आया वो हम अभी डिस्कस करते हैं. तो मैं एक के बारे में बताऊंगा. आई विल टेल यू अबाउट वन थिंग एंड वन एक्सप्रेशन, यू विल गेट टू नो ऑल अबाउट अदर्स. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग द फर्स्ट वन. So in order to understand the first one expression, okay, so now I am taking this x plus a into x plus b is equals to, I am getting x square plus a plus b into x plus a. So if we take this x plus a into x plus b, I will get x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so now how it will come, I will take left hand side. So left hand side is x plus a into x plus b. So now I will multiply them. So x into x plus b plus a into x plus b. So if we multiply them, then I will get x into x square plus x into b xb plus a into x ax plus a into b ab. समझ में आ रहा कैसे हो रहा है, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए. So when we are multiplying two expression, so in this way x plus a into x plus b, then x is being multiplied with this x plus b and a will being multiplied with x plus b, is it? Now so x square, if we take x common, then it will be b plus a plus ab. So I can write this expression in this form also, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So this is nothing but the right hand side. So you can clearly see, when I will multiply this x plus a into x plus b, I will get x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay, so now why we are studying this, because no need to do this thing again and again. You just know this type of expression, just put it over like this. Okay, I will take one example. Now let's say we have to expand x plus 2 into x plus 3. So one way is this way, पूरा यहाँ से करो जैसे यहाँ पर पूरा करते गए और उसके बाद कर लो, तो it will take time. But if we do this way, according, I will just substitute here only. Then in place of a it is 2, in place of b it is 3. So it will be x square plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2 multiplied by 3. What I did, I just substituted in place of a as 2 and b as 3. तो a की जगह पे 2 रख दिया और b की जगह पे 3, जस्ट एंड x की जगह पे सेम रहेगा. तो x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 plus 3 into x plus 2 into 3. So it will come as x square plus 5x plus 6. So this is very easy process. And by using these identities, we can find out the values of expansion. So x square this way. Okay. So this is, you can note it down. Okay. So now we'll use some we will use identity in order to find out the expansion of these 4 questions. These 4 questions will explain you how we can use the identities which we have just discussed. So the first question is x plus 8 into x plus 10. The first question, x plus 8 into x plus 10, can be done by this identity, x plus a into x plus b. So it will be x square plus a plus b into x plus a, right? We know this. So if we, in place of a, if I replace 8 and in place of b if I write 10, then I will get x plus 8 into x plus 10. Okay. So x plus 8 into x plus 10. Okay. So it will be what? It will be x square plus a plus b means 8 plus 10 into x plus ab means 8 into 10. It will be x square plus 18x plus 18. So this is the expansion of x plus 8 into x plus 10. So this is very easy way, and other ways also we have to just multiply them, but it will take time, but it is very easy. The second case is x plus 8. The second question is x plus 8 into x minus 10. We need to expand this x plus 8 into x minus 10. So by seeing this, I can remember the identity x plus a into x minus b, right? So what is the expansion of x plus a into x minus b? It is x square plus a minus b into x minus a. ये होता है, ये आइडेंटिटी देखा मैंने. अब इसको देख के ये याद आया, तो मैं बस इसमें क्या रखने का, इन दिस आइडेंटिटी आई विल सब्स्टिट्यूट x इज इक्वल्स टू 8 and then a is equals to 8 and b is equals to 10. So I will get x plus 8 into x minus 10 is equals to x square plus 8 minus 10 into x minus 8 into 10. So it will be x square plus minus 2 into x minus 80. So I will get x square minus 2x minus 80. So this is the expansion of x plus 8 into x minus 10. Okay, this is the second question. The third one can be done by identity, which one? X minus a into x minus a into x plus b. So it can be done by this. So x square minus a minus b into x minus ab. Everyone knows this. And the fourth one can be done by x minus a into x minus b is equals to x square minus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay. So these identities we are using, and if you do this, and you will get. So no need to do the further. Okay. So now we'll take some more questions based on this. Okay. So the first question of exercise 4C consists these 4 parts. Okay. Now the second question is this one, 2x minus 1 upon x and 3x plus 2 upon x. So we need to find out the solution of this. 2x minus 1 upon x and 3x plus 2 upon x. Can we use some identity over here? 2x minus 1 upon x and 3x plus 2 upon x. Okay. So now how to find out the solution of this? So in order to solve this, we cannot use identity because both should be same. So I have to do the traditional method. So in traditional method, what we have to do, we have to multiply 2x with 3x plus this 2x will be multiplied with whole, and minus 1 upon x will be multiplied with 3x plus 2 by x. So if we multiply this, then I will get 2x into 3x is 6x square plus 2x into 2 by x minus 3x into 1 upon x minus 1 upon x into 2 by x. Okay, then it will be 6x square plus this x get cancelled, 2 to the 4 minus this x get cancelled, minus 3 minus 2 by x square. So if we more simplify this, I will get 6x square plus 1 minus 2 upon x square. So this is the expansion of second question. 2x minus 1 upon x into 3x plus 2 upon x. Why I cannot use identities which we have discussed? Because here it is not in this form which we have discussed. I cannot find it because in this expression x would be remain same. This should, if it is 2x into x, then I can use. So this is the way. Okay, so this you can